Oh no. What have I done? Or well, what have I not done? I was over here doing some yard work and I noticed the air conditioner sounded like it was struggling a little bit. And I've lived here about 2 years now, and I realized I've never opened up my outdoor unit. It's as bad as you think. Ah, no. Oh, no. That's not good. But better late than never. Yeah, that's super bad. So, time to get her cleaned up. I'm gonna try vacuuming it first before hosing everything down, just to get the bulk of it off of there. This is really bad. And try it again. You get the idea. And I'll do all the other sides. I'm just using a light, it's an abrasive wheel, but it's ever so slightly abrasive and flexible, so I can get it in there. I have a brush that I think would work well, but I can't find that. So I'm gonna do the whole thing. Almost all of the dust removed just by vacuuming, and now it's time to hose everything down. I made sure to get all the gunk out of the trough in the bottom because that's where all the water is going to go, and funnel all the remainder out. So time to get after it. There we go. That is much better. I'll show a close-up look. I would also like to point out that the unit is powered off. That seems important to do that when you're opening it up to shut the power off to it. Yep. That is much better. That is much better. Now, just need to put it back together. I just got done hosing off the outside panels. So yeah. Don't forget to do this. Now that is a much happier air conditioner. Sorry, bud. It won't happen again. All right. Bye.